everyone, I'm Ira Joshi. Today I'm going to blow your mind with my amazing potato battery experiment. Let's dive in. Potato juice contains a water-soluble chemical that causes a chemical reaction to either one or both of our electrodes, so we may get some electricity from it. Let's begin. The materials we need are 4 big potatoes, 4 copper electrodes, 4 zinc electrodes, 1 LED light and wire connectors. Let's begin. First, dab 1 copper and 1 zinc electrode in each potato. Make sure it is following the positive negative pattern. Step 2. To finish this electrical circuit, wrap the 2 exposed wires around the 2 unconnected electrodes and voila! Our LED light is lit. Months on this, Benjamin Franklin coined the word battery after a series of jars that he used during electrochemical tests that reminded him of a battery or grouping of cannons. In conclusion, I learned from this project that potatoes might not contain electricity, but it is full of electrolytes that can be converted into electricity. Using a little bit of metal, you can turn a potato into a battery, a powerhouse full of energy that can be used to power up digital clocks and low voltage LED lights. Thank you for your time.